full stop. Can't believe I live in your thoughts.
Alright, so it's Monday and we have an update already. Right, Coda? Coda. Hey. I'm so tired. Are you so tired? Well, we've had a really busy day today. So, we thought that this week we were going to get drywall completed and painted. No, that's not gonna happen because we didn't realize the process. So yes, they are working hard and they're mudding today, but they have to mud 3 different times. And you have to wait so many times in between for it to dry. So it'll be next Tuesday, next week, before they're ready to paint. So the goal for this week for them is to get the drywall finished, to get the siding finished. They're dropped off more siding, but they are waiting on more cedar because there was an issue with how they did those crow's feet, and so they're having to rebuild that, and we have to talk about that. And then their goal this week with that is to finish the siding and then to go ahead and get the painting and the staining all done on the outside. So that's what they'll be doing. And then of course Taylor and Eric's house is getting framed. And then we were intending, to do the whole well thing. That's not going to happen this week because we have to actually wait to do the well house until after they finish the grading. So, well, anyway, things change so rapidly and we're kind of just playing whack-a-mole today. And right now Kevin is inside grabbing some sandpaper because we have some stuff we gotta sand before tomorrow. And we have to get back out to the house to meet the concrete guy. So, big changes all the time, every minute. It's a whirlwind.
Chasing coins, because it's a beautiful day. Isn't all?
Lots happened today. We have drywall and it's almost like all the drywall is almost up. I don't know if you can tell too, but they came and the painters came and they started doing all the caulking on the siding. So we still have the folks having to come on Monday to finish the siding and of course fix our chicken foot, but we want a crow's foot instead. But it is amazing how quickly it is all of a sudden taking shape and I'm just really excited. The next big project this week was the exterior painting. We were so excited about that because we've been waiting to see what it's gonna look like. Like, that's a huge transformation to see the paint on the outside. And we kind of went out on a limb and chose a color that we just, weren't real sure about, but we thought it was gonna look good. It's the iron ore, and it's a darker color. We wanted it to be able to blend in and not be so stark and really let the natural landscape speak for itself. But we were a bit nervous just because we weren't sure how that dark color would turn out. I could literally not be happier about the color of our house.
Yeah, it is perfection. It's like so much better than I even expected it to be.
It is just like we've toiled over what color to do the house. We bought samples. We tried different colors. We laid it all out. And even then we were still like, I don't know. Are we making the right choice? Because it's a bold choice. It's that dark
we felt
color.
like we were making the best choice of the colors that we that we tried, but there's still that little bit of hesitancy because, you know, painting a house, that's a big job, and you're painting it so dark that if you were going to go back and go lighter,
Yeah.
it's going to take a lot of paint.
White would have been our safe choice, but we decided to be bold, and I could not be happier. It looks so good, and it is exactly what was in my mind.
Yeah.
Not only was our house taking shape on the family compound, so was Taylor and Eric's.
I remember years ago, something missing in my soul.
Walking over to Taylor and Eric's to stand on their house, in their house, on wood for the first time ever. So exciting, super exciting.
Interesting.
It's like the first steps in the moon. They got a ton done today at Taylor and Eric's. We've got walls, window holes, all the things. It's so crazy how all of a sudden everything just happens so quickly and things start to take shape.
Taking shape.
But you feel like family to me. Finding you was just like finding home.
So I'm gonna take Taylor and Eric on a tour of their house because she's sick and she can't see it, and a lot has happened today. Nice. Here's your master room. Wow. I'm standing in your master room. There's your master bathroom right in here. Here's, what the heck, is this your closet? It's huge.
Yeah, it's a really big closet in the master.
Yeah, look at it, it's so big.
I've thought about putting Eric in there for his office.
It's huge.
Okay, because our road is so small, you can't really get an 18-wheeler up in here. You can get a big box truck, but not an 18-wheeler. They're actually having to build the trusses for Taylor's house on site.
It's like sunshine after the rain. But you know the moment it
It
happens.
literally looks so good, and it is so exciting to see this going up. Like, literally we are living the dream with having the family compound and having the houses go up. I am beyond excited, so it's happening. I didn't think it would.
You was just like finding home. 'Cause you feel like family to me,
So the generator came today, and we're now getting it out of the back of the truck and going to get it set up. We won't have it hooked to gas until later on, but we at least have it here, which is a positive. So they came out tonight and talked to us about some of the issues that we're having with the posts and with the crow's nest, feet, and some of that. It was a little bit of a stressful conversation, but we have gotten to an agreement point, so that's positive. Now we just have to see the work actually getting done. Their plan is to replace some of the posts that are not in line, go ahead and fix the crow's feet, and then also go ahead and paint the bottoms of the metal on the posts. And then we have purchased some decorative metal to put over top of it, just because we just feel like it's not a very finished look. So it's a compromise. I'm gonna get myself in a good headspace to be okay with that. And
I'm gonna help her get into the headspace.
in addition to that, there were a couple of lights in the bathrooms that weren't centered. that they are going to go ahead and take care of those as well. And so we are looking forward to seeing the solutions. And yes, I look a little tired and frazzled because I am a little tired and frazzled. This is a good but tiring process. Well, this week has not turned out as we had hoped or planned with regards to things getting done. As you can see, nobody is here. We definitely feel like we have bent over backwards to accommodate and to be flexible. We drove to North Carolina to get a stain color for them because they gave us the wrong stains to choose from. So anyway, we are just going to move forward and continue to hope that things go well. On a good note, Taylor and Eric's build is going wonderfully and they are getting everything put up, and it looks so good and so great. So we are excited for that. So get out there, have an adventure, and be free. See you in the next adventure.